social media love. I'm here to tell you this. Maybe you've been doing the work, posting, recording videos, doing email, and then nothing happens. There's a difference between doing the work and doing the work with full and deep intention. Being fully aligned to who you talk to, fully aligned to your thoughts, to how you feel in your body, because people feel it. They feel it through the screen, literally. So if you've been doing a lot of posts and all this and all that, and you don't feel that you're getting more money in your bank account, or that you don't feel you get the reach, the views, I would like to encourage you to think, am I really connected to myself? When I do my Facebook Live, my LinkedIn post, am I? Don't judge it, but maybe this is where your next level lays, right? If you don't know me yet, I'm Angélique. I'm the founder of Social Media Love. I'm a social media coach and consultant, and I help six-figure women entrepreneur or aspiring six-figure entrepreneur to fall in love with their fear of becoming visible. And I use visible as an acronym. How to use your voice, your ideas, your irresistible offers, your stories, your beliefs, your leadership, and your expertise online in a way that feels good without sacrificing who you are and worrying about the algorithm. No matter what's going on Facebook, Instagram, it doesn't change anything about you showing up for the people you can help. If that's of interest, let me know. Send me a private message or give me a little comment. Tell me, ask me a question. I want to help you.